In this video, we're going to learn how to divide. We've already learned how to add, subtract, and multiply, and now it's time to learn how to divide. Now, dividing with a pencil and paper can be sort of challenging, especially when you're first learning how to do it. But the spreadsheet will make it easy as long as you know a few simple things. I have 4 problems set up here. The first problem, you'll notice I have a yellow box for the answer. The problem says 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4. So in the yellow box where I want the answer to appear, what's the first key I always push when I'm doing a formula? Equal sign, exactly right. So equals, now I click just the way I read the problem. The problem reads 8 divided by 4. So I click the 8 first, then the divided by sign. Look at your keyboard down on the lower right hand side. See the question mark? Right underneath the question mark there's a slash, and the slash means divided by. So I'm pushing the slash, which means divided by. Look at the formula bar up at the top of the page, and you'll see it says equals B5 divided by, and now I click on the second number, number 4, or in this case, D5. So the formula says equals B5 divided by D5. Press enter, and there's your answer, 2. Now that's a nice simple problem, and I do that so that you can see that the answer is correct. Problem number 2. First button I always push, equal sign. Click on the first number, 10, push the divided by sign, the slash, divided by. Now click on the second number, or on cell D7. So the formula is equals B7 divided by D7. Press enter. There's the answer. Alright, let's do one more because this is a little trickier than before. 20 divided by 5. The first button I push is always equals. Click on 20, the first number, push the divided by sign, click the number 5. So the formula is equals B9 divided by D9. Press enter. The answer is 4. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Now an easy way for you to check this using your math facts is this. If you take the 5 and the 4 and multiply them together, 5 times 4 is 20, and that tells you the answer is correct. Here we have 5 times 2 is 10. 4 times 2 is 8. So when you multiply these, you can see what the correct answer is. You can see if it's right or not. Whoa, here's a hard one. 100 divided by 5. See if you can tell what I'm doing. First button I push is, first number I click on is, the key that means divided by is, and the last thing I do, and then to get the answer I press the enter button. 100 divided by 5 equals 20. So go ahead and do your assignment on dividing, and good luck.